and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. Christmas is a magic day.
Alright, hey guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, currently I'm at Kingston. I'm going to pick up some packages. I have a lot of packages to pick up. Today is Vlogmas day 4. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead to like, share, and subscribe. It's the Christmas season. That is why I have so much packages to pick up. I mean, people are order, me are order, everybody are order. So if you did not know, you can also ship with me. Alright, you can ship with me. I'll leave the details down below in the description box. So yeah, so guys, I'm gonna pick up the packages them, and then I'm going to go to Starbucks. I have not had anything to eat all morning, so I'm gonna get a tea at Starbucks. And you know, it's a Christmas season, them out with them different type of tea, and I hope they have the festive cups popping and going on, because last year they had the different cups. I hope that's going on for today. So yep, this morning I woke up, I washed my hair, I did so much, and right now it's just like probably about a little bit past 10 and I'm in Kingston. I wanted to come earlier because I'm gonna go to Clarendon, but I mean, that's fine, that's really much okay, because the time now is still early, still not late, it's still not late, so I'm not even complaining about the time like that such. And the lotion, I'm not sure about it. I'm not really, oh god, I'm not really complaining about the time like that so much. So listen, I struggle daily like with just shopping, okay? And yesterday we got a bag of package, and last week I came and got like a big bag like this. Oh god, I'm careful up, and I'm carrying like a junkyard. Can you believe it? I'm gonna try to section off these things. But then, well, as I said, I got Clarendon people, so I kind of full up a whole heap of junk. Okay? Now get done, I'm not going away and ride around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Santa, when me come with the bag, see that big old bag. The man said, "Okay, Miss Santa," which is right. I must be Santa Claus with so much of this stuff. Mighty man. Oh God, and my car is such a mess. Woo. My car is such a mess. Look there. Full up right through. So if you see me and I beg me around, I'm gonna stop. And I stop. I don't want to stop and I can't, I don't want to care. I just can't hold you. I need to fit off my bag and everything else. Hot. I'm gonna come black me. Let me out. Oh God. Whew. This car so it take card. Really? It's a car. We're into Starbucks now, guys.
Magic light.
So I'm gonna go into Starbucks now and get as Mr. said, and see if they have any. Me have to laugh at the phone job out. See if them have any tea. See if they have any tea like in the. Well, me I buy the tea, but I love the tea in the Christmas cup because at the season, I want to get the season going like it is, right? Yep. You know, I'm gonna like just a little ramble before me go. I hate every time when you're on the road at the light and the people antagonize you. Me not support the hustle trying to get a food, but in that way, like even my doors weren't closed and the man come there, but again I always say don't push the lock like when they're there, because in Jamaica, trust me, you can't trust these people. Like everything them use, them I say them are awesome, but they will pull your car if your car don't open or if you have a phone and grab it from your all and something there. And I'm like, why is it that them have to just be like, if you say no, it's no, why me say no? And you say, beg you 50, beg you 100. Like, me not say, they're not to try to get at us to try to get something, but me not like it. I'm not the only one that don't like it. Me not like it. I'm not safe. Like my kids today, me I talk about the bikers who them do the delivery thing, right? They do the delivery using the bike. And so often you're hearing about on the news that these persons, they are literally them are robbing people them. Instead of them deliver the stuff them are rob the people them. And like you're trying to make a hustle, and you even like you who probably will rob another real delivery people them. They might be the real delivery people them too as well, but it's like they are making it bad for those who are really in it for the money. And like me, I said, why they have to start to use that trend where just come in, people are use that as like also, and why those persons have to use it as something with them rob people. Anyways, now I'm gonna Starbucks now. I'm here wondering if I look the part for it, like if I look on point for go Starbucks. Cause be like this interview on radio where if you look listen Melo FM, the man was saying why people going at Starbucks and wait, look that way. Why uno going at Starbucks? Yes, not all the coaches in my car. Why is it that uno go Starbucks and all uno now didn't work when I have a laptop put out? Uno have to make it look like someone at work. Uno have to have uno in the best clothes. Why people dress up for go Starbucks? Like me not gonna say this is a foreign trend, because a foreign people just jump into anything go to Starbucks. Like, but I mean, the trend would be for foreign, like you have people who are actually working, them go their laptops to get the internet. But in Jamaica, people dress up, put on nice clothes for left them yards come and start. Like, so who wouldn't? I want to look the parts. When it may look appropriate for going there. If you follow society, may I tell you, lead you right astray. Anyways, we're gonna get the look of something to eat. Might go through Wendy's drive from hungry bad, or should I go inside? Let's see. So guys, they do have the medium drink, and no, they do have the Christmas cup. What am I saying? So guys, they do have the Christmas cup, and I got a medium French vanilla. Hopefully it is sweet enough. And I'm gonna go to Wendy's, go in the drive-thru and get something to eat because I'm hungry. So I'll probably get something small at Wendy's. I'm gonna head to Clarendon right after. So yeah.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you.
outside to go to see if the inside is full compared to the drive-thru because it's in the morning. So let's see. Let's see. Did it open? Yep. Guys, just saying to myself like, listen, I need to take on some weight. My belly is embarrassing for a young gal. Embarrassing. My belly is embarrassing. But my heart's hot. Hot like a fire. Honestly. Yeah. I saw my belly look embarrassed. Miss Maya just showed me some pictures and ready to find that. The titty them, wish them would have been there too. Can't not go them, but I just saw it go. But for the belly, well, you can't do something about the titty. You can't do one of them titty surgery there. But do I have somebody's money for it? But the belly, that's where it is. Embarrassing. Bad. Anyways, Wendy's bathroom. Did I carry my cup inside here? Oh yes I did. Was I going to leave it outside? Oh no. I just put him at the top to cock up the oil. Let's go. They have a beautiful tree here inside of Wendy's. Nicely decorated. Nice. I hope when I see those at the front, so let's see, but the back is empty. The back is empty. Okay? It's really nice. I like the topper and the color. Just not my color these days. The red is kind of so, you know, but the tree is nice. Like nice. Really nice. Okay, so I'm back inside the car. And I'm going to head out of Kingston now. Not gonna tell me. I'm heading out of Kingston now. My aim is to get to Clarendon before 1 o'clock. It's currently after 11. And I'm gonna get there about 2 on. It's about 11. That was the clock is fast at me. That makes it 33. It's a level 30 now. Alright? Or level 37. Something like that. Let me check it. Level 27. Level 27. We need up Wendy's in Ochi. If you're from that side and you agree, like no, we need a Wendy's in Ochi. I love Wendy's. I love Wendy's over Burger King. I got a biggie box. A biggie box. It has. This is a spicy chicken biggie box. It has nugget. Where did nugget? Thank you. It has nugget salt. Nugget salt, people. Apa sama put in? What? See that? Nugget salt, man. So I got fries, and this is a spicy chicken sandwich. I got lemonade. I don't like soda. I'm not a soda person. In Jamaica, you have to pay for the mayonnaise. It's $20. Foreign, you get them free. Right now, I just need to deport me from Jamaica and just put me in a foreign country. That is in my option. Not any foreign country, no. Because why would the one go to Russia right now? Now, Ukraine or any other them place, but why we have to pay $20 for the mayo? We have to pay $20 for the food already. Eh? No, these stuff are of a price. Honestly, like this, we don't have to pay for this. Okay, paying for the food, but this, when I tell the truth, when I be so much pay for it, Do you think that we should pay $20 for it? The condiments? If you do, that's fine, but I can do better. My car dirty. Watch it. Okay, guys. We're gonna leave now and head to Clarendon. So yeah.
We will carry a song through the ages from angels on high. Christmas tide on high in the halls of magic light. Christmas tide on high in the halls of magic light, magic light. Christmas tide on high in the halls of magic light. Christmas tide on high in the halls of Christmas tide on high in the halls of magic light. Christmas tide on high in the halls of Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to Clarendon. Do you know this road? If you know this road, leave it down in the comment section. Yep, I'm out of Clarendon by 35 minutes, about that. Hopefully it's not more. So yes, that's the update. But remember, if you know this area, leave it down in the comment section. Well, I'm not really type for the people that really come from here. What about the person that really only just pass through here and just glimpse it? You understand? Uno me attack. So if you got it, if you posted it and you got it correct, yes, Worthy Park. We're there, Worthy Park, heading up to Lauderdale. Alright, so Worthy Park is where they make the rum bar rum. If you did not know, that's some facts I'm giving you there. Please write it down in your notebook. Alright guys, so bye. So I'm in Clarendon. Can you see the view? Nature. I'm in Clarendon, so country right now. I was just helping mom put up some curtain because our Christmas decorations start already, cleaning up and redecorate and everything. So yeah, there's this nice view. I'm going to show you the view. This view that when you step out of my yard, you look over there. So let me show you that beautiful view. Oh my god, guys, I wish I had a drone right now, but it's coming to just fly it over and show you this. This is so beautiful. You know what nice footage one drone that showed all of this. Wow, but it's coming. Country vibe.